I was saying, crisis averted.
I don't think we want a Honda Civic at the bar.
Someone said that one time, man. It cracked me up. I forget who it was. Crisis averted. I can remember him saying that.
Dustin was telling me about Jerry saying it means business.
It means business.
It does. He's been saying it all day.
He always says it. Crisis averted. I think Tracy Rain said it. I knocked over a drink or something, it fell and caught itself. And he was like, man, crisis averted.
You want some more water over there?
You out of here? Hi, buddy.
Hey, I wanted to get that mower, man. It made me mad because it was my fault. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The spring jumped off, so I had to get it right.
Come on.
Shit, we sharpened the blades, cleaned under the deck. You know what I mean? I bet that thing's whipping.
Like a new mower, ain't
Oh,
it?
yeah, I bet it's whipping.
Feel like about to rain, don't it?
It feels like it.
It's definitely not as hot as yesterday, that's for sure.
Yeah. It gets hot in them cars out there, though.
You think $10 is fair on that fuse? You okay with that? Or is that too much for it?
Let me see what I got here. Let me see what I got here in a little bit.
Okay,
Probably.
take it.
That's a big one, though.
That's what she said.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
That's what a man needs.
Well, whatever. I said take it if you want it. Cool. If not, whatever. No big deal.
Clean my hand.
Wash some meds.
Yeah, I'm so glad, dude, that worked. I was watching a video and that stem sticking down.
Yeah.
He had the spring hooked on it, and I couldn't see it at first. And it said to put this belt on, you got to move this. And as soon as it showed it, dude, there it was. I was like, that's it.
Yeah, exactly. Sure. I know what you mean.